Now, Jamaica's female bobsleigh team of Kari Russell and Jasmine Fenleta-Victorian look set to compete at the Winter Olympics after fears over the availability of a Latvian sled used to qualify were addressed. Simon Preston reports.
Following a couple days of uncertainty and concern over whether Jamaica's ladies would have been able to legally use a Latvian sled, which has aided the nation's qualification to the two-woman sled at the Winter Games in Pyeongchang, South Korea, the assistant of bear manufacturer Red Stripe has cleared the way for a smooth ride on the ice. This comes as Christian Stokes-led Jamaican Bobsled Federation last night signed a deal with Red Stripe which will see the women's team being able to freely use the contentious sled which was under threat of being taken away by former coach Sandra Kyriasis.
We felt that we were on good ground in terms of possession of the sled and the rights to use the sled by all indications, and all our paperwork that indicated that we were properly in possession of the sled. However, this gift from Red Stripe has allowed us now to use it without question or any, has put the issue beyond any controversy. So we have taken ownership of the sled and will be using it as was the plan before.
Kyriasis, a German Winter Olympic champion from 2006, quit the team earlier this week saying she was forced out and threatened to take the team sled with her, claiming she was legally responsible for it. Stokes says the team of Jasmine Fenleta-Victorian and Kari Russell is ready to take the track even as they fine-tune preparations with training runs this weekend.
Pleased to say that the team is in very good spirits. Training went well. We are training at night now because the race is at night, and things are coming along very well, and we look forward to the first day of training tomorrow and to bringing all our efforts over the season together to produce a very strong performance.
The Jamaican ladies recorded a 7th place finish in a World Cup race in Winterberg, Germany in December. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Simon Preston.
Meanwhile, sledders Jasmine Fenleta-Victorian, Kari Russell and Audrey Sigree were in high spirits when the CNN caught up with them in Pyeongchang on Friday. They were asked about their inspiration provided by the male team as portrayed in the movie Cool Runnings.
Overall, I think they paved that path for us already, and they always instruct us to be great and be even greater than them. People suggest us as the Cool Runnings .2, and I mean, we're not Cool Runnings .2. We're fire and ice, right? And we appreciate what the path that they lay for us already, and they always encourage us to say to grow and build beyond that. And I think that's our job, to represent the nation and just build on what they leave.
But how will their story end?
On February 21st, and that may not be the ending, that's just only part 1.
Yeah.
They also fielded questions about their pre-race rituals.
Ours isn't really a
little ritual, but yeah. It's just something that
we always touch hands.
Yeah.
And then at the end, we make sure we all touch each other, and then we do a good and the colors black, green,
green, and gold, and hit it.
Now, the Jamaicans will get into action next Tuesday, pending a practice run this weekend. And Jamaica's debutant in the skeleton event at the Winter Games in Pyeongchang, South Korea, Anthony Watson missed out on the final after registering 53.35 seconds on his third run on Thursday. He needed to finish in the top 20 after Heat 3 to advance to the gold medal fourth run. The time was Watson's second quickest of 3 over 2 days of competition, but it was only good enough for him to end the Games in 29th position of 30 entrants. Watson, who had posted 53.13 seconds in his first heat before returning with 54.04 in the second run, ended with an accumulative score of 3.17 or plus 3.17 in his first campaign at the Games. South Korea's Yoon Sung-bin, who made history when he became Asian Olympic skeleton champion after dominating the event in Pyeongchang.